So I saw this on eBay and I absolutely couldn't resist it. It is the Empress Contour Belt, genuine cowhide, complete with buckle and easy instructions for classic styling. This is a kit that says that it includes everything, but it has no leather working tools, so it doesn't include everything. This is the brass buckle, and it came with a belt that didn't have any holes punched in it. That's meant to be like stained and refinished, and it's like an at-home kit. Hi, Minnie. Hello, Minnie. This is like an ad slash instructions, and I did follow some of it. And it's pretty cool. This is like an ad for the tote bag. And there's like a template for the different designs here. And it explains the buckle size and where to put the holes. But I used a thrifted belt that I got that's pretty much the same size and all, and I just hammered it out. And then for this part with the buckle, I didn't do a perfect job. It was a job done. I didn't do a perfect job. I just did the best that I could, and I used an X-Acto knife. It comes with these, like, I forget what they're called, Smega Snaps? I confused it with the gross thing. But what I saw from YouTube videos is I saw people making their belts with something called Chicago screws, which I felt were like kind of more accessible than the snaps, which you have to hammer in with, like, you have to have the right tool for it and stuff. I kind of just didn't trust that. So I got Chicago screws. I got brass Chicago screws. They're cheap. And I believe I should be able to just screw them in to make the belt buckle work. And then I got these nifty, like, star thingies to detail the belt. And I did put a finish on it, like a natural preservative with, like, Vaseline.